Welcome to our channel Autodrive. The USS Delbert D. Black, known by its hull number DDG-119, is a frontline guided missile destroyer of the United States Navy and one of the later ships in the highly successful Arleigh Burke-class. This class has been the backbone of U.S. surface combat power for decades, and DDG-119 represents a refined, combat-proven design rather than an experimental one. The ship is named in honor of Delbert D. Black, who holds a special place in naval history as the first Master Chief Petty Officer of the Navy. That name alone sets a tone of professionalism, leadership, and dedication, and the ship itself lives up to that legacy by being built for demanding, real-world missions rather than showpiece roles. Physically, the USS Delbert D. Black is an imposing presence at sea. Measuring over 509 feet in length with a beam of about 66 feet, it displaces roughly 9,200 tons when fully loaded. While that might sound massive, the ship is designed to balance size with agility. Its hull form is optimized for stability in rough seas, which allows it to operate effectively in everything from calm blue water environments to harsh, storm-prone regions. The ship's superstructure features angled surfaces and carefully arranged equipment to reduce radar reflections, a practical form of stealth that makes it harder to detect and target at long range. This isn't invisibility, but in naval warfare even a small reduction in detection range can provide a critical tactical advantage. At the heart of DDG-119's performance is its propulsion system. The destroyer is powered by 4 General Electric LM2500 gas turbine engines, producing a combined output of around 100,000 horsepower. These turbines drive 2 shafts and allow the ship to reach speeds in excess of 30 knots, which is extremely fast for a vessel of this size. More importantly, the propulsion system provides rapid acceleration and responsiveness, enabling the ship to maneuver quickly in combat situations or reposition itself to protect other vessels in a task force. Gas turbines are also relatively reliable and easier to maintain compared to older steam systems, contributing to the ship's long-term operational readiness. One of the defining features of the USS Delbert D. Black is the Aegis combat system, which serves as the ship's central nervous system. Aegis integrates sensors, weapons, and command and control functions into a single, highly automated framework. The primary sensor supporting this system is the AN/SPY-1D phased array radar. Unlike traditional rotating radars, this system uses fixed radar panels that can electronically steer beams almost instantaneously. This allows the ship to track hundreds of targets at once, including aircraft, drones, surface ships, and incoming missiles. For non-technical viewers, it's helpful to think of Aegis as a constantly alert digital guardian that never blinks, continuously scanning the environment and prioritizing threats faster than any human could on their own. Weaponry is where the destroyer's versatility truly shines. The USS Delbert D. Black is equipped with 96 Mk-41 vertical launch system cells, split between the forward and aft sections of the ship. These cells are incredibly flexible and can be loaded with a variety of missile types depending on mission requirements. Tomahawk cruise missiles allow the ship to strike targets hundreds of miles inland with pinpoint accuracy, making it a key asset in power projection and precision strike missions. Standard missiles provide layered air defense, capable of intercepting enemy aircraft and even ballistic missiles in certain configurations. Evolved Sea Sparrow missiles offer rapid response protection against close-range threats, while ASROC anti-submarine rockets allow the ship to engage underwater targets detected by sonar. In addition to missile systems, the destroyer carries a 5-inch Mk-45 naval gun mounted on the forward deck. This gun may look modest compared to missile launchers, but it remains extremely useful. It can fire a wide range of ammunition types, making it effective against surface vessels, coastal targets, and even for providing fire support to troops ashore. The gun offers a cost-effective alternative to missiles for certain engagements and gives commanders more tactical options. For last-ditch defense, the ship is equipped with the Phalanx close-in weapon system, an automated rapid-fire gun designed to intercept incoming missiles or aircraft that manage to penetrate outer defensive layers. This system reacts in seconds, tracking and firing without direct human input if necessary. Anti-submarine warfare is another critical role for DDG-119. Beneath the surface, threats can be difficult to detect and even harder to counter, but this destroyer is well equipped for the task. It uses a combination of hull-mounted sonar and a towed array sonar system, which can detect submarines at significant distances. The ship also carries torpedo tubes for close engagements. Perhaps most importantly, the Flight IIA design includes hangars for two MH-60R Seahawk helicopters. These helicopters dramatically extend the ship's anti-submarine reach, carrying dipping sonar, sonobuoys, torpedoes, and advanced sensors. They also support surface surveillance, logistics, medical evacuation, and search and rescue operations, making them an essential part of the ship's overall capability. Inside the ship, design priorities shift toward efficiency, survivability, and crew effectiveness. The USS Delbert D. Black typically carries a crew of around 300 sailors, including officers, enlisted personnel, and aviation detachment members. Living conditions are functional rather than luxurious, but modern destroyers incorporate improved climate control, better berthing layouts, and more advanced communication systems than older generations of warships. Automation plays a significant role in reducing manual workload, allowing a smaller crew to operate a highly complex platform. This not only improves efficiency but also reduces long-term operating costs. Survivability is built into every aspect of the ship's design. Critical systems are distributed throughout the hull to prevent a single hit from disabling the vessel. Fire suppression systems, armored compartments, and redundant power and communication lines ensure the ship can continue fighting even after sustaining damage. Damage control training is a core skill for every sailor on board, reinforcing the idea that the ship itself is a living system that must be actively protected by its crew. What truly makes the USS Delbert D. Black stand out is its balance. It is not the newest experimental platform, nor is it a relic of the past. Instead, it represents a mature, refined design that has proven itself time and again. The destroyer can seamlessly shift between roles, from escorting aircraft carriers and amphibious groups to independent patrols, missile defense missions, and humanitarian assistance operations. This flexibility makes it incredibly valuable in a world where naval threats are diverse and unpredictable. In simple terms, DDG-119 is a ship built for real missions in real conditions. It combines speed, firepower, advanced sensors, and experienced design into a single platform that can respond to almost any challenge at sea. For a general audience, it can be thought of as a floating command center, missile battery, and guardian all rolled into one. For naval enthusiasts, it stands as a testament to the enduring effectiveness of the Arleigh Burke-class. And a powerful symbol of modern naval warfare done right.